Why aren't the hairbrushes working? Okay, why aren't they working for you specifically? There's a strong chance that you may not know how to use the brushes properly, okay? I get so many, well, I don't want to say a lot, but I do get people who purchase the brush, oh, it doesn't do this, it doesn't do that, or oh, this or that, or look, it's taken me quite some time as a professional to know how to use a brush properly. If you think that a brush is just going to magically make your hair look phenomenal while you're not using it the right way, guess what? It's not going to happen. So what I want to do is just go over with you why the brushes may not be working right for you. All right, so let's start with this hairstyle right here, right? We all know this TikToker hairstyle that I've done, which is very, very popular, and you want to get it. So let's just say you take the brush and you go like this and you wrap it the wrong way and you bring it forwards like this and you don't use the nozzle and you're blowing hair all over the place and your hair's a mess. Guess whose fault that is? Hi, not the brush, okay? It's not the brush's fault. You have to be able to know how to style this properly, AKA like this, in order for you to actually maximize the brush. Yes, these are bristles, plastic bristles, that you may feel it on the scalp, okay? Well, guess what? Maybe you shouldn't jam it into this, it's not these aren't thorns that you want to, jam into the head like this, or nails, all right? But you don't want to just whack the head like this or violently brush your hair like this. You see this? This is like torture. I don't even want to do it to myself. It's torture. So you're probably not even doing it right. You're using this as the wrong type of tool to brush through your hair, okay? You need like a vent brush, which I have to brush through nice and easy with the knots, and then this you use to style the hair. See, I'm going in very gently. I'm not banging the scalp. I'm not ripping at the scalp. I'm going in very, very lightly, like this, locking it in, and then using the blow dryer, okay? There we go, like that. And then I twist and turn, just like that. Twist, twist, turn the brush, right? And there it is. I'm barely even touching the scalp. So, I've heard people say, oh, the bristles. Well, stop jamming it in your head like you're hammering nails into your scalp, okay? That's why I have a few different brushes. I have a vent brush that's designed to comb through all the knots. This is a styling brush. This isn't a brush used to comb out knots. I as a stylist for over 20 years, I repeat, do not, and I never use this type of brush for brushing out knots or for brushing the hair. This is literally only for styling. So there you go. That's solving the problem number one. Now, you also may be using the wrong brush. So if you're trying to achieve this style and you actually get the larger of the two brushes I have, right, the 2.5-inch brush, what's going to happen is you may not be getting, it's too big, and you're only going to get a little bit of that flip. Instead, what you're doing is you're smoothing the hair out and you're straightening it more than creating any sort of volume or flip in the hair because the brush is too large, the hair is too short, and you can see here, I'm literally just flattening it out with this brush. That's why only on longer hair types, like if you're trying to straighten the hair on something maybe like this, and you want to straighten your hair fully, this is the right length or right size brush, right? Or if you have a hairstyle like this, and you really want to smooth it out and straighten the hair, then slick it back, that's where something like this will come in handy. But when you are trying to get more volume, more of a curl, more of a flip, you actually want the smaller brush. And that's why I had this brush made at this size, okay? Because this 2-inch size right here is the perfect diameter, the perfect barrel length, and the perfect size to get these flips. See how I can wrap the hair around like that a few times, then I lock it in with the blow dryer and I unwind, and look, now we've got the flips back in action. Then you can finish it off with, the locked hairspray right here. Give it some, a little bit of spray. There we go. and we're back in action. So it's just one of those things where, if you're using the brush the wrong way, you're going to get the wrong results. You're going to blame it all on the brush when it's actually not the brush. It's the technique of how it's being used. If you are interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, and it's free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50 after the discount code is applied. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.